Melvin Douglas Lastman, nicknamed Mayor Mel or Mega City Mel, was a Canadian businessman and politician who served as the 3rd Mayor of North York from 1973 to 1997 and 62nd Mayor of Toronto from 1998 to 2003. He was the first person to serve as Mayor of Toronto following the 1998 amalgamation of Metro Toronto and its 6 constituent municipalities. Lastman is also known for having founded the Bad Boy furniture chain. Lastman was born in Toronto in 1933, the son of Jewish immigrants from Poland, Rose and Louis Lastman. He began his sales career as a child, hawking fruit and vegetables at his family's Kensington Market grocery store. He met Marilyn Bornstein when he was 16 and she was 13, and they were married 5 years later. He left school after grade 12 and, with Marilyn's help, got a job at a College Street furniture store. He quickly established himself as a successful salesman. He switched to selling appliances and promoted himself as Mr. Laundry. He opened a small frame building at Kennedy Road and Eglinton Avenue in Scarborough, Ontario, selling used appliances, and then, at age 22, bought out Heather Hill Appliances and established Bad Boy Furniture in 1955. Having adopted the nickname the Bad Boy for himself, he developed Bad Boy Furniture into a chain of stores around the Toronto area. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.